everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something I haven't done in a long time. It's an unboxing. It's an unboxing of my Walmart beauty box. This is the only subscription that I did not cancel, and it's $5 quarterly every season, and the $5 is for shipping, and I kept that one. The last one I got I didn't bother filming, but I thought I'd film this one for you. This is the winter box. Yeah, they're a little behind, and we're even more behind with what's going on right now. Shipping is even slower, so I just got this. I have opened it up, I have looked at it, but I wanted to go ahead and show it to you, so I'll show you what's in here. First, let's start with the okay stuff. Well, you know, it's not an exciting box by any means. I got these are all deluxe samples of the Curel Dry Skin Therapy Moisturizer. Let's see, is this sealed? No, it's not. I don't smell anything. I am going to pass that on to my sister-in-law. She likes stuff like this, and she doesn't like any scents in her lotion or no fragrance whatsoever. And so I think I'm going to pass that on to Laura and let her use that, because you know me, if I'm going to put body lotion on, I want it to smell like a tropical island or a fruity drink or something like that. Next, I got Colgate Optic White toothpaste. Travel size, which we are not traveling, but yeah, a toothpaste. Next, I got a Dove. It's a Go Active Dry Conditioner. Now, this is pretty nice. I like this. Let me kind of spray it. Oh, it has a really nice scent. It's a pleasant scent. So yeah, I will use that. Next is a sample of Lumify eye drops. These are the only eye drops I use. This is the brand I do use, so I will use this. Let's see how tiny it is. That's a decent size. I think is that a full size? Because I have a full size. No, this says it's a sample. But that's okay. Yeah, this is the eye drops I use. I didn't put any in my eyes today, but of course. But it does. I have had damage to my eyes, and my eyes are permanently bloodshot. And so when I put this in, it takes the majority of the red out. It doesn't completely clear my eyes. I'm sure it would for you if you didn't have problems like I do. But yeah. And then last, I got two NYX. These are soft matte lip creams. One's a metallic. Do they have a name? California. They're both California. So one's a matte and one's a matte metallic. So let me swatch them. Oh, that's pretty. It's a nice neutral kind of a. It's not a bold in your face color. There we go. Those are nice. I'll use those. They smell alright. So there we go. That's what I got in my Walmart box, and I'll just keep getting these. So I've got my NYX lip, my Lumify eye drops, which I'm excited about. The dry shampoo, the toothpaste, and then some lotion. So not bad for $5, if I do say so myself. So there we go. And if you're interested in the Walmart beauty box, just go to the Walmart website and just look up beauty box. In there you can sign up. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And again, everybody stay safe, stay well, and I will see you next time.